What's good, everyone? It's your boy Terry speaking for the Garage Shop. Here to offer you some more big bang for the buck product info. Yeah. Now, we all know recently I picked up a Cuda. I love that car. It's so special. And I want to give a big shout out and thanks to you for all the comments and questions about the Cuda. Now, the most common asked question is, hey Terry, what kind of engine are you going to put in that car? Are you going to go HEMI? Are you going to go with an LS? What kind of drivetrain are you going to put in that thing? What kind of engine? Tell us. So judging by those comments, most of you guys want to see a HEMI put in that car. And I get it. It's the right thing to do. Is it? But you got to admit, the LS platform is the most versatile engine that we've ever seen. I've seen them in school buses. I've seen them in mail trucks. I've seen them in riverboats. I even seen them in planes. Yeah. And on top of that, I have an LS that's going to the machine shop today, along with that one, which is going to be a 408. I got a couple more LY6s back there somewhere. Altogether, I have a total of about 8 LY6s. So yeah, it would be easy to throw an LS in that Cuda. But today, we're going to do something a little different. We are accepting engines, so if you have a friend who has one in the garage, or maybe the uncle has one under his pillow, or I don't know, if you just happen to find one that fell off a truck or whatever, let your boy know. Yeah, Dodge, I'm talking to you. If you want to just send one of those 6.4s on over, the garage door is always open. So here's your chance. If you want that Cuda to stay Mopar and you know where the 6.4 is and you feel like sending one on over, please do so. Get in contact with me. Because I tell you, we're going to be working pretty quick on that Cuda. So come time for us to actually install an engine, if we do not have a 6.4 HEMI, I'm just saying. So if anybody knows where there is a 6.4 HEMI, let your boy know. Yeah, because you got some people who are just sitting around saying to themselves, man, I wish I knew some guy that kind of favored Muhammad Ali a little bit that just recently acquired a Cuda and he needs a 6.4 HEMI. Heck, I'll just give it to him. Yeah, see now, if you're that guy, I need to hear from you now. So please leave a comment on how do you feel about the Cuda? Do you like the Cuda? Do you think the Cuda is the #1 muscle car in the Mopar fleet? I do, next to the Charger. How do you feel about putting LS in the Mopar? Do you think it's a good thing, or do you think it's just like, oh my goodness, heavens forbid? You know, leave a comment. I'd like to know what you think. What is your favorite year Cuda? Is it a 70, 71, 72 to 74? Leave that in the comment as well. All right, looking forward to reading it and getting back in touch with you guys. All right, and as always, be easy.